Hello, everyone. Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today, I'm going to show you what is and how to use the concept of social responsible design. Well, this video is also available in Spanish. This is a design concept. It got the following characteristic. It is a process that takes into account its ecological and social footprint, not only in the final product, but in inputs, its production change, its service use, shrinkage, leftovers, and waste. Before starting a develop, it's pertinent ask yourself, it is worth doing what you are going to do? What effects does to the environment? Why am I going to do it? Socially responsible is used transversally in any project developed with the design thinking methodology. Focus on everything in the impact that it has on the environment, but also in the design thinking principle of user-centered design. Do not create superficial development. All actions have a reaction. Well, the social responsible design concept, it has been growing a lot lately because nowadays people care where their products or service come from and also what has been up to them. Like back in the day, no one knows where the supplies come from. And perhaps they were destroying a forest or were destroying rivers or things like that. Nowadays, this is extremely important and you need to know everything related to the process and the project. Because back in the day, people used to say like, no, I have no idea. I don't know. Yes, but nowadays you need to know. Okay, so when we talk about this, and before I start explaining, please subscribe to our channel, give us a like, turn on the bell. This keep us pushing and allow us to keep growing our community. If you like to give us a comment, if you like to share our content, please do it because it really helps us a lot. Okay, so the socially responsible design process and concept, it got the following characteristic. The first thing that you need to know is ask yourself, why am I going to do this? Is this a shallow, superficial development? The word really needed? What is the need? And if you don't know about needs, I strongly recommend you that you check the video of Maslow pyramid because it really allows you to think and understand all the different situations that has been going on in the world. So asking, is it really worth doing it? What am I going to do? What is the real need? After that, you need to understand the supply chain, where the supplies come from, what is the process, what is the cycle of living, the extraction. It have a negative impact in the world. Are we destroying rivers? Are we destroying forests? Are we destroying any kind of animal? We need to know and understand all of that, all the process. After that, the production is extremely important to understand. You need to be focused on the process. For example, if you're working with leather, the leather is extremely contaminated to rivers and different kinds of sources. Also, the time of process is extremely important. So you need to know the repercussions that they have on the environment, and also not just the money of how much money you spend production in the production, but also what's going on and what is related to that. After that, we need to understand the benefits, of course, the economic benefits that you have of productions, but also the feelings, the sentimental that is related with that. You need to evaluate every single of these options because sometimes the economic benefit is not worth the impact that they have on the environment because the impact could be devastating. So we need to be very aware of that. After that, we evaluate the whole impact, not just in the environment, but also socially. Why social is so important? Because communities worldwide live in a certain way. They have a specific way of behaving. If I develop, for example, something in the Amazon, something in a specific environment could be lethal to those communities. And I need to understand and be aware of what are the repercussions of that. When I'm aware of that, of this cycle, I come to terms to one question. Is it worth doing it? The product, the development, the company? Because all the effects that are related here will be passing through generations, and sometimes it could be devastating. So when I'm designing, I'm not just making a final product. I'm thinking in the whole process, in the extractions of the supplies, in the production process, in everything. I need to be an expert on every single thing and understand what's going on and what is related to that. As a conclusion, we can say that upon completion of the product or service that is being built with this paradigm, people live must be improved and must have the least harmful impact possible to the environment. Social responsible design allows generate reflections before developing any product or service for the purpose to the evaluation, its environmental and social impact. So this situation is extremely important because it's not just something that looks good, that you see and think is pretty. It's everything that is related. You have to be social responsible for the development of what you are making and the repercussions that they could have on the environment. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish and every Thursday a new video in English. Our Udemy courses are already available. Thanks for everything. And remember that it's because of all of you that we are the #1 Design Thinking and Agile channel in the whole YouTube universe. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.